Good afternoon, Campus Creed here, another vlog. So right now we are in Bangpoo Recreation Center. As you can see, there are a lot of people because this place is considered to be also a tourist spot because of these creatures here, birds. A lot of them. You can see they are flying in the sky. Yeah, they are everywhere, and I love to witness once again the sunset. As I've always told you, like, I love to cover sunset, sunrise and sunsets. I hope everyone will be enjoying this one. We are sharing not just an experience, but a nature in beauty, in its beauty. That one in there is the entrance of this place. And okay, let's try to take a look what is in there in the stone. Do's and don'ts of visiting seagulls at Sukta Bridge. So do's and don'ts: please don't touch the bird. Second, don't throw garbage in the river or in the sea, because they're protecting also the fish. And be responsible to throw your garbage in the garbage bin. In the bin. It's here. Whiskered tern. So this one is the whiskered tern, the name of the bird, that bird. Little egret. Oh, I haven't found little egret here. So most are the whiskered tern, the great egret, and the Javan pond heron. I haven't found. So only these, yeah, these are the birds featured here. But most of them are this one, the whiskered tern. Okay. Wow, look at those. Wow. There are a lot of photographers here. They're covering the activity of the birds, their nature. Yeah. I love that. This one. Wow. And the sun. Sunset. Sunset. I'd love to have a camera.
Mga kapatid, may wasak palo. Papa, oh, bagay mo ya. Kung sabi ko, kaya,
Ganito.
拉起来了，这样。